Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a review and tutorial on the one, the only. Hold on, I'll be back. Are we good? Are we focused? Had to have the hoochie hoops. I cannot believe I've been filming without my hoops. I'm going to be doing a review and a tutorial on the one and only Jackie Aina palette that she created with Anastasia of Beverly Hills. I have Le Bag. I have the whole kit. I know Jackie and company hit me up and they wanted to send me the kits, but I wanted to also support. And I wanted to support and buy them anyway, so why not? So this is the kit. You can get this for $55. The palette is $45, I think, but you can get pretty much the kit with the bag for, I want to say, $55. Okay, so this is the packaging, right? I mean, this is sickening. I cannot for the life of me not be impressed. It's right up my alley. This literally screams Jackie. It's got like a taupey, like she explained, a taupey, almost a rosy kind of champagne gold backdrop with the hollow shift. It's a chameleon hollow shift. You see the rainbow on there. Here's the palette. It comes fitted in here. The box is gonna stay in here. The palette's gonna go into my main collection because I want to use it. This is the outer packaging here. Again, I think this palette is $45. I love that she has a shade named $, because you guys know with my anti hauls I'm always complaining about how much things cost, and I use that term a lot, so much appreciate. It doesn't have the typical velvet feel of the palettes. Now, we're going to definitely be comparing it to the Norvina palette because I've seen some commentary online about it looking just like the Norvina palette. And whoa. Can we talk about these nails with this palette? Wait a minute. Where's my phone? I just did a boomerang. Yes, boo, yes. Watch that.
Target. I go to Walmart because I'm cheap, you know what I'm saying? And then it's just like this pops up, you know? Check it. Honestly,
I love her.
Not one bit. Because I really hate Apple's ringtones. It's like hearing ding 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 ding, especially.
I freaking love you, Rocio. That's my boo. That is my boo. If you guys don't follow her, follow her. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts, ma'am. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. She's just such a freaking goddess. I love this girl. Follow Rocio. So it's typical 14 shades. It has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 8 shimmers, so, or you know, glitters and shimmers. She did mention that she had the formulation of the Norvina palette put into this palette, and I will say that the Norvina palette is actually one of my favorite palettes that she has made thus far. And let's compare the two. Oh my God, please, Evie, please don't ruin this. Don't ruin this. Don't ruin a good thing. Okay, so these are the two palettes right here. Very similar indeed, yes. But this Jackie Aina palette was made specifically for people with darker skin tones, medium to deep skin tones, tan to deep skin tones, where the transition shades would be more friendly for those that have more melanin. This is not to say that you, paler girl with the very cool tone skin tone, can't use a palette like this at all, because you have such a variation. You have that pop of pink from Supreme, and you have all these other mattes. And if this is anything like any other ABH formulation of shadows, I'm good. I'm Gucci. It is what it is. Today is actually my anniversary. It's my 20-year anniversary, and I want to look amazing. I want to look like a goddess. So we'll try to do something glam and sexy. I am looking at Zam as a color for today's look. Whew, where are we going with this? I don't know. I'm gonna go with ginger. She's the safest color for me to start using as a transition shade. And Jackie, I'm kind of mad at you because you made me clean my brushes. That's how important you are to me, because I cleaned all my brushes. Like, I cleaned all my favorite brushes for you so that I can do this tutorial. Like, you don't understand, okay? I'm gonna go in with my Sonia Kashuk favorite 109 brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of ginger. Just a little bit of ginger. I know this is kind of going against like what I was supposed to be doing, but anyway, we're taking a light amount of ginger because I already know Anastasia's shadows are very pigmented. I didn't take much. Like this. Like that. Can you see it on the brush? Barely. Barely. I'm legally blind.
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. I'm innocent.
Wow, she looks vibrant on my viewfinder. She's not here to play. Okay, this is again the shade Ginger, which, love this color. This is like just a perfect orangey, warm, I don't know, crease shade. This is just beautiful. I'm gonna go in with the shade Pinkier. This Pinkier shade has, it's a matte, but it has some flecks of shimmers on it. And I know that some companies do that to make it more of a softer, creamier, whoa, ma'am, creamier formulation for like a matte. So it's like a satin, most likely, because, oh, freaking, what? Why didn't I just use this? I see where she was going with Pinkier. Pinkier is quite a transition shade for those that are looking for something that's purpley, for like their purple eye looks, or even like just to, I don't know, cranberry something up. Like, this is not a cranberry shade, but she's going places. Ooh, with Ginger she looks nice actually. Hi Ginger, how you doing? Again, I'm just taking a little bit and I'm blending it out. It's giving me more than enough pigmentation that I need for today's look. I am going to deepen it up. We're just doing a smoky eye today. We just know this. I just want to use as many of the shades as possible and see how they work together, because that's the whole point of this. I want to see if, you know, you could do a 2 shadow look with this, or most importantly, if you could do a 7 shadow look with this. Not that I'm going to use 7 shadows, but challenge accepted. Pinkier. Pinkier's winning today. Pinkier is, she's a bop. She's a bop. She's a bop. All right, we're gonna take Pinkier on the lower lash. Where's my brush? So I'm gonna use my Smith 220 brush. This is my favorite brush. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna buy a few more and I'll just spend the money. I'm gonna take Pinkier on my bottom lash line. I don't know if I want to take Ginger on the bottom lash line yet. We'll see. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Wipe off my brush a little bit on my pants because you're lucky I'm wearing some. I'm going to go in with Ginger and pop that on the bottom. Just enough to add that warmth and to keep it smoky. You see that? Look like I got punched in the eye. I don't care. Don't care. This looks amazing. This looks grungy and sexy already, and I don't really care about your feelings. I'm going to take my Wayne Goss. I know you guys haven't seen this bad boy in a while. My 04 brush. She's my perfect brush. I'm going to go in with Credit because I'm working on my Credit. We're going to go in with that. We're going to make her smoky, okay? This brush is amazingly soft. You do not need much. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to smoke it out right on the outer V, right here. I want to keep that warmth, neutrality of both Ginger and Pinkier. I just want to deepen this up. And Credit seems to be like the perfect deep tone brown that a lot of girls are looking for. And let's be honest, I know you guys are tired of like having blacks and browns in your palettes, but if you have it, you complain. If you don't have it, you complain. Me, I appreciate it because I like to use one freaking palette for my whole look. I don't like to go in between palettes, so it is what it is. One workable shade for the crease to make it smoky is more than perfect for me. This is good. Take it on my bottom lash line. I'm just gonna stick it right here, nowhere deeper, just right in the first half, okay? I'm gonna take Credit, bada bing, bada boom. You can wet this shade just to make it deeper, but we're not gonna do that because it looks blended like this. How you doing? They're mattes, but they're soft, and there's not a lot of fallout. There's a little bit of fallout. We'll fix that. I ain't worried about it, sweetie. Never have I been worried about it. I'm going to use the ABH translucent powder that I put back in this box. The dumbass. I'm going to take a little bit of it. And this is how you would get rid of fallout if you do not set under your eyes, okay? Or if you just put a little bit of powder and just remove it. Take some powder, put it back in that area, and sweep out like that. Brush it on the back of your hand like this. Because you don't want the cake on product, but you want to smooth it out and it adds to the blend. So, just a little trick. So I add a lot of the powder here and then take it and blend it out. Dust it off my hand. Clean up whatever excess. And so all the fallout, all the little sprinkling that was happening down here is no longer there. I'm going to line my waterline real quick before I finish the rest of my eyes. I just kind of want to start. If my eyes are going to start watering, they better start now. Oh my god. All right, we're going to swatch this shade and then we're going to swatch this shade. So we're going to swatch this shade, Trust Issues, because I know why she did that. Oh man. That would add a different dimension. And then we're going to go Zam. Zam, Zaniel. Oh. Traditionally, I want to go with Zam. Wild side of me wants to go with Trust Issues. Because I feel like she would just add a different dimension to the look. Okay. I'm going to go in with Zam. I'm going to take my e.l.f. flat brush. I'm going to go in with Zam. Ooh, that's that Lucy kind of glitter that Norvina has in her palette. I love this formula though. All right, so what I'm going to do is, I am not wetting my lid just yet. Or the brush. So I'm just going to place this. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Just kind of pre-press this onto my lid to see how it looks dry. Subtle, subtle. I'm gonna wet her, make her moist. Oh my god, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, you were coming for me. That's what you were doing. And I'm gonna take this on the inner corner. And you guys will see what I'm gonna do. As you guys know, I love blending my inner corner highlights with other colors. Zam. Zam. I get what you're putting down, okay? Wow. Right. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more credit, which is that beautiful deep tone of brown that we used there, right there. Again, we're working on our credit. And we're just gonna take it and kind of blend both of these together to keep it a little bit more seamless. I'm gonna go in with Trust Issues, that bad boy right there. I'm just gonna wet her. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We're not having this discussion. We're just not doing that. Don't you try to talk me out of it. We're just taking enough on my Morphe E36 brush. I'm looking for a dupe for this brush. I'll probably find one in the set. Wet it. Wet it. Wet it. Wet it. Wet it. All right. All right. She is everything I expected her to be and more, over top of Zam. So you guys know I love to layer my inner corner highlights. I'll use the same. Yes. Woo! And I'm just blending it. That's it. That's the tweet. That's the look. That's the eye look right there. That's all you need. I'm gonna go in with a new, brand new Coco Loco liner. You guys know I have been missing her. Just line the lid. This is from Jordana. Oh, gotta change the battery. My lips with my Coco Loco lip liner. She's bae. And I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick, and this one is in Unbutton. It is the perfect nudie orangey color, and I hope I'm focused. Perfect, 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 perfect. I know, that's gross, huh? Okay. We're gonna use Soleil right here. Don't judge me. Actually, you know what? Just do whatever you want. I'm gonna take my Smith 112 brush and I'm gonna go in to Soleil. Watch me. Holy shit. Whoa, Nelly. Look at that. Wow. Okay, she's a looker. Norvina. Norvy. Can we get Soleil in a highlighter for a favor? Didn't even know why I thought about this, but you know what? It's a look. I'm not mad at it. She's gorgeous. Holy shit. Alright, I'm going to spritz my face. I'm going to do my mascara. Then I'm going to come to you guys with pretty much the overall look, even though this is pretty much it. But you know, lashes does a thing for the look. I'm not going to be applying lashes. I'm just going to be loading up mascara, which is what I do. So, be right back. Hello. This is the completed look, guys. That's it. That's all I got to say. That's it. This is it. This is the completed look. There's nothing else to say. This is the Jackie Aina palette, honey. This is it. This is the beat. This is the beat. Woo! Okay. Okay, my loves. So, yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. What do you guys think? I feel this is the first time in months that I feel like worth $1 million. This eye look is sexy, sultry. This palette is amazing, gorgeous. I live for Jackie Aina. I love her so much. I support her 110%. I'm not a blind follower, but I absolutely love her. And there's not much you could do wrong because she keeps it real. You can't be mad at someone that keeps it 100. You know what I'm saying? So what do you guys think of the completed look with the lashes? Hair info will be down below, of course. This is a custom unit by the Virgin Hair Fantasy. She is called the Glam Goddess. This is a Malaysia Parker unit from Basketball Wives. I love her so much. She's cute or whatever. This wig, custom cut. Well, custom color. I'm sorry, not custom cut. Custom color. She is, I think, 14 inches. Short, cute, sexy. She pulls this look together. Of course, the shadows, amazing, creamy, buttery, blended like a dream. I did not need to take a long time with these shadows, and I am super appreciative of that because I love Anastasia shadows. So this palette right here, 10/10, would buy, especially if you already love warm, like neutral shades. So this has a lot of warm shades, more on the neutral where you can make pretty much any look. It's not just straight up reds and stuff like that. And it's also not only purples and greens. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share with Jacket. Yeah, share with her. Share with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Please and thank you. That would be great. I wish that they would see little old me, little old fluffy me in this big pond of talented artists. But in the meantime, in between time, I will always support ABH. They're an amazing brand. They always pull through. This look is popping. This highlight is one of the shadows. I mean, for real. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina collaboration palette. Sexy, right? Right? That's right. I am worth $1 million right now. 100 quadruple million dollars. That's how I feel right now. So kiss my ass. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in and for dealing with my shenanigans and for always being supportive and keeping it real with your girl. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.